Welcome to YOUCANIC. So we've installed the window. We're going to go back on our 2019 Nissan Sentra and we're going to put the plastic vapor barrier cover back on. So we put the electric lines through, and these that come for the and then with these, up here we're going to reattach this handle, flipping it back over, putting the one with the 90 up in the top. The lower one is the ball. Snap that into the bottom, then take the handle, put it into the holes and then push it forward, and then tighten the number 10 bolt here. And with all that done, that is where you would do we put the window in, we put this cover shield back on. I gotta go find some adhesive to get this stuff to stick on better, and then install that, and then you'll be ready to put your door panel cover back on and be ready to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.